so I'm going to show you where I get those for cheap right now. We caught about 12 pips here. No, I've blown my account. What's good, chat? So we just finished up the stream and yeah, London session. We're now on the way to the gym. We're gonna smash a quick session, get back for New York session as we always do. We'll be hitting shoulders, maybe some arms, maybe some abs today. But yeah, big shoulder session, and yeah, I want to show you how I've grown my shoulders recently, because I've put a lot of effort into growing my shoulders as my main body part. So that's what I'll show you, and then yeah, we'll get back to the charts afterwards, and I'm going to do a trade breakdown if we get one. If not, then I'll show you the trade that we caught from yesterday. But yeah, I'll see you at the gym.
I knew what it was to be black way before I was on GQ cover. How you gonna question me about colour? What you know about Nelson Mandela? Man, I get anti as ever. Yeah, I can do serious, I can do mean. Tell a supremacist that I'm supreme. Oh, everybody's woke now, guess I'm just lost in a dream. But still I'm predicting the future. I said this is how shit would go. The streets at an all-time high, the government at an all-time low. Politicians trying to get tickets to come to the shows. I shake hands with a long arm, never get close. Can't see me, I stay ghost, man, I move like cigarettes. I knew what it was to be black way before I was on GQ cover. How you gonna question me about colour? What you know about Nelson Mandela? Man, I get anti as ever. Yeah, I can do serious, I can do mean. Tell a supremacist that I'm supreme. Oh, everybody's woke now, guess I'm just lost in a dream. But still I'm predicting the future. I said this is how shit would go. The streets at an all-time high, the government at an all-time low. Politicians trying to get tickets to come to the shows. I shake hands with a long arm, never get close. Can't see me, I stay ghost, man, I move like cigarette. I can be my own worst enemy, but I've gotta be my own best friend. I need to take the advice I've been given to them. Man, I'm on a low frequency, I can't see them again. I'm on a high vibration, feeling blessed, grateful. Them man are thirsty, need hydration. Please don't compare me to them, that's a big violation. The streets at an all-time high, the government at an all-time low. The streets at an all-time high, the government at an all-time low.
What's good, chat? So I just finished training, absolutely smashed the workout. I need to go and restock on some protein and creatine, so I'm going to show you where I get those for cheap right now. Secured the goods. They're actually out of the flavourless creatine, so not good for me. And I wanted to talk about something that a viewer asked in the chat. They were saying basically they were close to blowing their funded account, and yeah, they'd over-risked a little bit. And what can they do? Now the thing is, right, if you get to the point where you're over-risking and you're going, oh no, I've blown my account, right? What can you do? You have to understand that it was your mistake in the first place, right? So I want you all to understand that you need to be risking appropriately each time you come to the charts, right? Especially on a funded account where you've got drawdown limits. So you want to be risking 1%, maybe 2% per trade. And if you do get to the point where you're down like sort of 7% and you've got 1% drawdown left, the only thing you can do is decrease your risk even further. So if you've only got 1% drawdown left, start taking trades at 0.25% risk per trade. That's going to allow you to get some buffer room. Maybe you get back up to 2% drawdown left, then you can up it to 0.5% per trade. And then, yeah, then you can go from there and try and just increase steadily. But if you've got 1% left, there's no point like going for a Hail Mary and just doing one trade, blow the account, or you know, get back to break even. It's not worth it. Take it slowly, take your time, and just imagine that you're break even. And that's my advice for the day, I'd say. So instead of worrying, saying I've blown my account, all that sort of thing, just keep trying, never give up, and that's what I'd say. So this is what we've got for the post-workout meal. I've got some lean beef mince with some rice here, and I'm just going to stick 2 eggs on top. Lovely bit of protein, bit of carbs to refill, and yeah, a bit of fat. It's going to be lovely. I'm going to devour that and then hop on the charts. I'll see you there very soon. What is good, chat? So I just got back from the gym and I hopped on the charts again, as I do for New York session, and I saw this nice little closure here on Euro USD. So we caught about, what did we catch? let's say around 11-12 pips here. We closed half at our break-even point, which was the wick fill. I will explain that to you in a second. But yeah, we jumped on, caught this trade. So I'm just going to run you through that now. So if we take a look here, we have our range coming up now. This was after news, so we had a lot of volume in the market. News pushed us up, and this was actually the 4-hour close as well as the 1 hour. Now, if you take a look here, we have our range. Now, we closed back into this range right here. Now, what do we normally do when we close into a range? The probability is that we're going to fill it. So, expecting for us to fill that range, this 1 hour candle opened up with a bottom wick, no top wick, to be honest, which was perfect. I've been waiting for this closure all day, got back from the gym and I saw it, and I had to jump on the wave. So, because of that, we came down. I had my buy stop on the little flip of this candle here. This player has been playing out for me endlessly, to be honest. It's just such a textbook play, absolutely bread and butter, pretty simple. But yeah, so we closed on the flip. We were entered in because of our buy stop. Our break-even point was around here at the wick fill. It was actually just a little bit above at this minor level that we have right here. So we closed half at the break-even point, as I always do, pushed up towards the top of the range. TP was around here, but we were a pip off, so I thought, you know what, we'll take it. We'll close. Got our 1% for the day, which is perfect. And yeah, that's the trade that we took today. We were actually looking for a similar trade earlier on stream down here, but we didn't manage to close above properly, and on this one we had no bottom wick. So the moral of the story is, chat, patience. This is the importance of going to the gym as well, or doing something in the middle of the day rather than sitting and waiting and taking the wrong entry, right? I could have taken the wrong entry, taken a loss, and then, yeah, we would have been in trouble. But traded London, didn't get anything, went to the gym, and come back now, caught the trade that we wanted, and we're done for the day. Nice little earning. Closed it a little bit earlier on the live, but on the phase 2 we rode it all the way up, so not a problem there at all. And yeah, chat, that's going to be it for me today. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a subscribe and a like. It really helps with the algorithm. And yeah, chat, that's it. Appreciate you very much. I'll see you in the next one.
The streets at an all-time high, the government at an all-time low.